오. 오.
I am Rubik. I can solve anything.
오.
Easy. Just a little longer. Almost there. Almost. Got it. Just a little. Error. 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 Computer. Error computer. Error computer.
Do you ever struggle with reading on the go? Do you wish there was an easier way to conveniently read a book while doing your favorite things? With Audible, you can turn the hassle and burden of reading books into the ease and freedom of listening to them instead. There's never been a better time to start listening on Audible. With Audible, you get access to an unbeatable selection of audiobooks, including bestsellers, motivation, thrillers, comedies, and more. We highly recommend How to Write Funny by Scott Dickers. Listening has helped us improve our creative and comedic ideas, and will help you learn how to write comedy into any situation. Listen on any device at any time. You'll keep your audiobook library forever, even if you cancel. Sign up today and get a free audiobook with your 30-day trial when you go to audible.com/butteredsidedown or text buttered side down to 500-500. Again, that's audible.com/buttered side down or text buttered side down to 500-500. And listen for a change. Big thanks to Audible for sponsoring this episode.